Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Motorola Moto G Stylus 2026, 2025 and 2024. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. All three mobiles come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. Moto G Stylus 2026 and 2025 come with AMOLED display, and the G Stylus 2024 comes with POLED display. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. When it comes to the camera features, they offer two rear cameras and also 32 megapixel front cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, 3 speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.